Mount up.
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume some skirts for the E, so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak.
How do you feel when I call stars? There was a call started Zimaraje. No, I wouldn't want this car near my kid.
I would die if I bought this car. I would die.
When usiyazi uthiwa nje emva kweviki isiginqile. Boy mele sisuke. Isikhathi sidliwe yinja. Savage. So how you feel? I'm doing a vlog. How do you feel?
This is my dream car. This is my dream car. This car's made me crazy from 2016. Yes, me and my friend. I remember since grade 8, 2016. Me and my friend used to obsess about these cars. We really were obsessed. And today I'm reviewing one. Huge shout out to Spire for letting me review this. This is a dream come true. I'm very excited.